أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله
तमारीनु अजिब अनिल असिलतिल आतियति मिन ऐन हाशिमुन वेर इज हाशिम फ्रॉम हुवा मिनल हिंदी ही इज फ्रॉम इंडिया अयुहिब्बुहुल मुदर्रिसु डज द टीचर लव हिम नाम युहिब्बुहुल मुदर्रिसु यस द टीचर लव्स हिम Min aina saatuhu where is his watch from saatuhu min al hindi his watch is from India become here how much it costs hiya bi miyati riyalin it costs 100 riyals kam akhan lahu how many brothers he has lahu thalasatu ikhwatin he has 3 brothers kam ukhtan lahu how many sisters he has lahu arba'u akhawatin he has 4 sisters kam ukhtan lahu how many sisters lahu arba'u akhawatin he has 4 sisters Aina akhawatuhu where are his sisters hunna fil madinatil munawwarati they are in Madina Munawwara second exercise dha hadhihi al alamata sah amama al jumal al sahiha wa hadhihi al alamata khata amama al jumal allati laysat sahiha you have to put right or wrong mark Hashimun Twalibun Keslanu Hashim is a lazy student Ba is Hashimun Twalibun Mujtahidun Hashim is a hard working student which one is correct Saatuhu Rakhisatun his watch is cheap Saatuhu ghaliyatun his watch is expensive costly Saatuhu bi alfi rubiyatin alf means 1000 his watch costs 1000 rupees Saatuhu bi miyati rubiyatin akhawatuhu bil madinatil munawwarati his sisters are in Madina Munawwara akhawatuhu bil hindi his sisters are in India ta'ammal ma'ili observe the following inna plus huwa inna plus huwa is equal to innahu inna plus huwa is equal to innahu you should not say inna huwa you don't say like that it is wrong because huwa is a pronoun here it becomes mansub inna with inna inna plus huwa equal to innahu it's a pronoun it's also a pronoun of accusative case inna plus hum innahum inna plus hiya innaha indeed she inna plus hunna indeed they all women innahunna innahunna Inna plus anta, indeed you. Innaka, innaka laminal mursalin. Inna plus anta, innaka, innaka, indeed you. Inna plus antum, innakum, innakum zalamtum. Inna plus antum is equal to innakum. Inna plus anti, innaki, indeed you one woman. Inna plus antunna, inna kunna, indeed you all women. Inna plus ana, inna plus ana is equal to innani, innani minal muslimin, inni minal muslimin, indeed I. Inna plus ana means indeed I. Innani, inni, both the forms are used. Inna plus ana. But you should never say innana because it is different. Here it is innana. See, inna plus nahnu, innana, indeed we. Indeed we. Innana, inna, innana, inna. Inna plus nahnu is equal to innana, inna. Inna atoinakal kausar. Indeed we. Adkhil inna alal jumalil atiyati. Adkhil, insert, enter inna into the following sentences. Huwa tajirun, huwa tajirun, he is a merchant. Innahu tajirun, indeed he is a merchant. Huwa tajirun, innahu tajirun, indeed he is a merchant. Ana talibun, ana talibun, I am a student. Inni talibun or innani talibun, indeed I am a student. Indeed I am a student. Hum minal yabani, they are from Japan. Innahum minal yabani, indeed they are from Japan. Antum adkiyahu, dakiyun adkiyahu, clever, you are clever. Antum adkiyahu, innakum adkiyahu, indeed you are clever. Hiya mutazawwijatun, mutazawwija, married, she is married. Innaha mutazawwijatun, indeed she is married. Innaha mutazawwijatun. Nahnu muslimuna, we are Muslims. Innana muslimuna, indeed we are Muslims. Inna muslimuna, indeed we are Muslims. Antunna mujtahidatun, you are hardworking. Inna kunna mujtahidatun, indeed you are hardworking. Inna plus antunna, inna kunna. Hunna muslimatun, they are Muslim women. Inna hunna muslimatun, indeed they are Muslim women. Anta rajulun ghaniyun, you are a rich man. Innaka rajulun ghaniyun, indeed you are a rich man. Anti zakiyatun, you are clever. Innaki zakiyatun, indeed you are clever.
والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم